Welcome. If you want to speed up your Garena Free Fire Max game, I will show you few useful tips. Basically, we are going to turn off few options and the performance of our device will be definitely better. So at the first, you hit tap on the settings icon in the right upper corner, and when you're here, at the first we have to move for display. As you can see right here, we can change the graphic. So if you have any problem with your frames per second or with your smartphone performance, try to go for the standard or smooth options. You can also enable the high FPS, FPS, frames per second, to make your game a little bit smooth, more smooth than the normal. So that's very obvious. We can also go for the FF Max, where we can, for example, turn off the login video, the lobby style. Also for the audio style, we can remove animations from new to the classic, so we get less animations. We can also turn off visual effects, edgy texture and vehicle effects. After that, you can just go back, and basically that's how we can speed up our device, the performance of our device. Of course, you will get less visual effects, but definitely your smartphone will work better when you are in the game. So that's how we can make it, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.